What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Brap Effects. Today we have a 1987 Yamaha MOTO 4 350 shaft driven automatic clutch. It's a 5-speed with low gear, high and low. So it has low and high with reverse. This ATV was meant for one thing, for utility or trail riding, and that's about it. So it's pretty heavy duty. It's got the tow hitch on the back. All you gotta do is put your desired bowl hitch on there and you're ready to go. It's got brand new tires all the way around. Just a quick walk around. I think this is based off the Yamaha Warrior engine, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it's based off of that engine. The Warrior has a clutch and this does not, but I believe they share the same head, the same cylinder head. I'm not 100% sure though. I don't know. It might. It's definitely a nice ATV. Starts right up. Has new tires, brand new carburetor, new gas tank valve with the filter, new carburetor. All that's new, and it's ready to roll. So I'll do a cold start on it and start it up. It starts up with no choke, so you just literally turn the key. Green light's lit, and then should fire right up. She started right up. No choke. Ice cold engine. Icy cold. Engine's really quiet. No knocking, no noises, no tapping. Has a nice little exhaust growl back there. Sounds really good. It's definitely a nice looking quad. All the gears are up. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So all the gears are up on this. And to put it in reverse, believe it or not, you actually have to have it in first gear. Once you have it in first gear, then you pull this lever down and it goes into reverse. So that's how it works. So you start it up. Now you're in neutral right now. Then you click up once. Now it's in first gear. Grab this lever and pull it to low. That's low. And then one more is reverse. That's your reverse right there. Low. High. Low. That's for like towing. If you're going up hills and stuff, you never need to use low gear. unless you're pulling something really, really heavy, or you're like rock climbing or something. And then straight back's reverse. Reverse works, everything works. One down, puts you back to neutral. So to operate these gears, you have to be in first gear. Really nice running ATV. Sounds really good. That thing literally starts right up every time. It's amazing. The only flaw in this ATV is that it has a rip on the seat right here, but there's no cracks on the plastic or anything. I think one minor crack right here, but you can plastic glue it back and repaint it or whatever. I mean, it looks great the way it is. If you just want a reliable quad, if you want something reliable just to get out on the trails that's cheap, this is perfect for you. And I do have a new headlight bulb for the left side that comes with it. It's brand new in the box, so it does have a new headlight. It's a really nice little ATV. It's a 350cc oil cooled, and yes, it does have an oil cooler on it, which is really neat. It's got a really big oil cooler right there. You can see the oil cooler. Really nice feature to keep the engine cool if you're out on the trails. If you wanted to, you can paint the bumpers a little bit and make them look nicer, but that's up to you. Other than that, it's a reliable ATV, and all the gears work great. Everything sounds nice, starts right up every time. Turn the key, and then your neutral light's lit. Press the start button right here, starts right up, no choke. It also has a forgot to mention, it also has a pull start. So in case if you get stranded out in the trail and your battery dies or something, you have this. So you just pull it, make sure the key's on, so your neutral light's lit, and just pull it. Look at that, started right up. What a nice ATV. So I can't say enough nice things about this. I believe that this will make somebody really happy. Low maintenance, you just change the oil, change the spark plug, keep the gas clean, and you're done. Doesn't get much easier than that. It's like one of those forgotten ATVs that nobody talks about, and it's just a really nice machine. It's shaft driven, so you don't have to worry about a chain or none of that nonsense. You know, shaft driven. So you just low maintenance. Just gas and go, change your oil. Your filter is easy to get to. You have 3 bolts right here that pop off. The filter comes out and you put the new one in. Very, very simple design. Drain bolts right underneath. Engine's nice and clean. There's no gasket leaks or nothing. Super dry ATV. So yeah, get it while it lasts. It's a vintage 1986 MOTO 4. Really, really nice ATV. Don't hesitate. Thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back soon with some more videos. See you guys later.